If you're looking to analyze and compare Amazon products to boost your e-commerce strategy, JungleScout is the tool you'll want to use. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use JungleScout to analyze products, compare them, and make data-driven decisions that will give you a competitive edge. Whether you're just starting or looking to fine-tune your Amazon strategy, this guide is for you. To get started, JungleScout is a powerful software designed to help you analyze product data on Amazon so you can make smart, informed decisions before launching a new product or expanding your existing catalog. You can use JungleScout for free right now with an exclusive bonus link below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's jump into how to use this tool effectively. The first step is understanding how to use JungleScout's product database. This is where you'll search for products across Amazon's marketplace based on filters like category, sales, reviews, and more. By applying these filters, you can easily identify which products are performing well and which ones have the most potential for profitability. This helps you focus on products that are already in demand. Next, we move to the product tracker, which is another feature of JungleScout. This allows you to track your competitors' products over time. By adding products to the tracker, you can get an ongoing snapshot of their sales, inventory, and price changes. This is especially useful for monitoring your competitors and seeing where you can improve your own listings. Another powerful tool JungleScout offers is the Keyword Scout. If you're serious about driving traffic to your Amazon listing, you need to know which keywords will give you the most visibility. JungleScout's Keyword Scout lets you search for high-volume keywords and analyze their competitiveness. By optimizing your product listings with these keywords, you can ensure you're ranking higher in search results, driving more organic traffic to your product page. But here's where the magic happens. You can compare your product with competitors. With JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool, you can see detailed data on product performance, such as estimated monthly sales, reviews, and average price points. This comparison tool helps you assess your competition and fine-tune your pricing and positioning strategy to stay ahead of the curve. Now, for a lot of people, the most challenging part is pricing. JungleScout makes it easier to find the sweet spot by showing you average prices and the historical trends of pricing for the products you're analyzing. You can track how prices fluctuate over time and adjust your pricing accordingly. In addition to these tools, JungleScout provides a lot of in-depth reports that will help you analyze your market's demand, competition, and trends. The Market Intelligence tool shows you how products are trending in your category, while the supplier database can help you find manufacturers for your products. But what about launching a product? JungleScout simplifies that as well. They provide launch strategies that are built on the data you've gathered through their platform. With everything from product validation to keyword research, you'll know exactly what to do to maximize your chances of success when launching your new product. To wrap things up, using JungleScout to analyze and compare Amazon products is the smartest way to approach e-commerce. It lets you gather valuable data, track your competitors, find trending products, optimize your listings, and much more. Don't forget, you can use JungleScout for free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below. This guide has hopefully shown you how easy it is to leverage this tool to grow your Amazon business. Take action now, start analyzing products, and start using JungleScout to gain a competitive edge.